An awesome morning to all the kids sitting at their home and getting online classes. Hope you all are having great time at your home. So kids, now we will start studying chapter number 11 and the name of the chapter is Transport. In this chapter, we will get to know about the modes of transport. Okay kids, so take out your books and open your books at chapter number 11, page number 140. Firstly, in this chapter, in a form of rhyme is there that will tell us the modes of transport. Okay kids, so I am reading for you. I am driving my car. I am driving my car. The tires get burst. I can't go far. If the tire of the car gets burst, then can you go? Can you drive a car? No. We need air in a tire to move the car. I get into a bus. There is a great rush. The lady on the bus says, "Get off my feet." So, firstly, we have talked about the car. Now we are talking about a bus. So, car and bus, these both are the means of land transport as they both vehicles are moving on land. So, move on to next paragraph. I leave the bus when I do not get the seat. I get into a boat. I enjoy it more than the road. Where does a boat ride? A boat moves on water. So, boat is a means of water transport. Suddenly, I see an aeroplane flying high. I wish to get into it and touch the blue sky. So, aeroplane is a means of air transport. So, here we get to know that there are three means of transport. Three modes of transport. So, what they are? Firstly, land transport. Another one is air transport. And the last one is water transport. So now we'll start the modes of transport. We all love to go out and have fun. We go out friends' house. We go out to see our relatives. We go out to our school. And sometimes we off to far off places to spend our holidays. We take different means of transport to help us reach these places. There are three modes of transports, namely land, air and water. So, I have already told this thing to you that there are three modes of transport. In this image, I have shown you that the land transport, air transport and water transport. So, the vehicle which moves on land are called land transport. The vehicle which moves on water, they are called water transport. And the vehicles like aeroplane, helicopter, rockets, they are known as air transport. These different means of transport include buses, cars, trains, aeroplanes and many more. These all buses, cars, trains and aeroplanes, these all are means of transports. Transport means a source by which we can go from one place to another very easily. That is called transport. These vehicles that help to carry people and transfer goods from one place to another are called means of transport. Okay. So, turn the page at page number 142. Long ago, people used animals to go from one place to another and to carry and transport things. Earlier, like nowadays, we are using different means of transport to go from one place to another, like buses, cars, trains, helicopters, aeroplanes. But in the past time, people used to go on animals, like they used to use bulls, horses, camels. Okay. Then the wheel was invented. Then what happened? After that, after some time, wheel has been invented. And what they have started? people begin to use wheels in carts and carriages pulled by animals. Firstly, they were using just animals, but after invented wheel, the people have completely used wheels in carts and carriages to pull the animals. Slowly, faster and better means of transport came into use. Today, cars, trains, buses, scooters, ships, aeroplanes, etc. help to carry people and transfer goods from one place to another. But now, as the time passes, now we are in a very fast mode. So, we are not using animals, we are using buses, cars, trains, aeroplanes, so that we can reach the place where we want to go very faster. Now we will learn about land transport. We will get to know what is land transport. Land transport includes movement of people and goods on road and rail through various means like car, buses, trains, bicycles, etc. Land transport means the transport which runs on road like buses, trains, okay. In most cities and towns, people travel by cars, scooters, buses, local trains, jeeps and auto rickshaw. In big cities, here we are moving from one place to another by the buses, cars, and in metro cities, people used to go in local trains also. So, turn on the next page, page number 144. In villages, some people travel by bullock cart and tonga. Tractors are vehicles used by farmers in the field. Tractor in villages still, how the people are doing farming, they are using tractors, okay, to do farming. In desert, people use camels, and in hilly areas, people mostly use small-sized horses known as ponies and mules for transportations. In desert area, people use either camel or small horses. These small horses are known as mules or ponies. Bigger cities like Delhi, Mumbai and Kolkata have fast trains that move within the city. In metro cities, they are having fast trains, fast local trains, which they are using to reach the place very fast where they want to go. These are electric trains known as metro rails. These electric trains are known as metro rails. They run on tracks on the ground as well as underground, especially in duck tunnels. These metro trains runs on the ground also, on the railway track and underground also. There are some vehicles which are used for helping people. Let us learn about them. Here, some other means of transport has been given to help the people.